viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Coinbase Wallet, and in this video I'm giving to information how we can connect Coinbase Wallet with Lido token or Lido DAO application. Yes, we already discussed about PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and also SushiSwap, and also ShipSwap. But today we are going to also discuss about Lido DAO applications. You can easily connect your wallet with Lido, and you can also stake your coin or you can swap your coin. Okay, so please must watch this video till end. But before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So viewers, if I'm going to click on my video portion of YouTube channel, and you can see here we have already upload almost 10 to 15 videos about Coinbase Wallet, and all videos are very informative for you. Before going to use this wallet, you must watch these videos. Okay, then you can easily understand about all tools of all verification of your wallets. So you can see here right corner, top corner, the Coinbase wallet is shown in front of me. I just simple click on it because today we are going to connect our wallet with Lido. You can see here my wallet is login front of me, and you must check your wallet. You have a balance. After that you can check. This time I have not any balance because this video is only for educational purpose. I just in this video give you information how to connect your Coinbase wallet with Lido. First open CoinJacko because I need to open the website, official website, and you can see here the Bitcoin price is $26,500 and Ethereum price is almost $1,624. And if we are going to check the Lido, so it's maybe rank top 100 cryptocurrencies. So possible, yes, you can see here Lido DAO 34 number, and this time price is $1.51 and 0.5% in a 1 hours increase. In a 24 hours 1.2% down. You can also read the 24 hour volume and also market cap. I just simple click on this Lido DAO, and if we are going to check the maximum price of Lido and all-time high, all-time low, so you can simple click on maximum, and you can see here the all-time high is almost $6 plus, and today price is $1.51, and you can also see here the 79% down from the all-time high, and all-time low is 0.40 cent. You can also trade on this coin, but it's depend on you, and I'm not giving to any financial advice about this token. You can also trade this token on these exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Exchange, and WhiteBT and Tobit. So let's suppose I want to connect our Coinbase wallet with this website DAO application. You can see here this is the official website, link stake.lido.fi. So I just simple click on it. Now the Lido application is open in front of me, and you can see here the first option is stake, second is wrap, third is withdrawal, and fifth number is reward. It's depend on you which option you are going to use. Before going to use any option, you must connect your wallet, but also giving to information about the third party application, and also you must read the all terms and condition, then you can easily connect your wallet. Okay, so we are going to connect our wallet. So you can see here there is option is available here, connect a wallet. Simple click on it, And after that, there is many wallets option is available here like OKX, MetaMask, Wallet Connect, but we are going to just use the Coinbase wallet. Also available Trust Wallet. So I'm going to click on Coinbase Wallet. Now the pop-ups open front of me, and you can see here. Let it see your wallet balance and activity. Before going to connect your wallet, you must read all necessary information. Let us send your request for the transactions. Fund will not leave your wallet until you execute to a transaction. Okay. So you must read all information. After that, you just simply click on connect a button. When I click on connect the button, so you can see here, I have successfully connect my Coinbase wallet with Lido DAO application, DAO website. If I'm going to click on this, so there is my wallet address is shown here. And let's suppose you want to use this. So simple, enter the amount, which amount you want to use. Let's suppose 1 Ethereum. So I have not any balance. If you have balance, then you can easily use it. Okay. And also there is option is available wrap w wrap Ethereum, and also option is withdrawals, means you can borrowing lending on this platform. It's depend on you. And also you can see here reward option, also available reward option here, set Ethereum, and also reward, and also average APR, stake. Now you can also stake on your Ethereum on this website, only show the reward. It's depend, you just simple click on stake button and then enter the amount, which amount you are going to stake, and after that read the all information about your staking amount, and what will you receive the money, and which is the transaction cost and reward fees. All information will be shown here if you are going to stake your coin. Okay viewers, so viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you connect your Coinbase wallet with Lido DAO application. This is so simple and easy. If you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comments below this video. I will read your comments. I hope I will resolve your problem. So before going to stop this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. If you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So we will meet with you in new video. Bye bye.